morning, my dear students. Hope you all are well in this pandemic time. Welcome back. Chapter 4 in Computer is Slide Presentation. In this chapter, we are going to learn about slide presentation. First, we have to know about what is presentation. Presentation means the act of showing information about something. And slide presentation means showing information with the help of slide. First, we are going to learn what is slide. Slide is an electronic page of computer. Presentation can be seen in every aspect of our life. In outfit, stage show, official job, product demonstration, etc. We can create presentation with the help of different application software like Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice, Impress, Flash, etc. Now, presentation. Presentation is a manner in which the idea or thoughts of certain things or some event can be expressed or communicated. In general, we can also say that the presentation in which things like picture, text, sound, object, etc. are organized and presented in proper sequence. We can download presentation package freely from www.openoffice.org. OpenOffice Impress is a freeware package which can be downloaded free of cost. Microsoft Office PowerPoint is a product of Microsoft Corporation and it is a part of Microsoft Office suite. Feature of presentation package. In a presentation package, on-screen presentation can be easily created. In presentation package, there are predefined idea and design that help a user to create slides easily. Once the presentation has been created, it is very easy to change the sequence of the display of different objects. The slide presentation package can contain text, graph, table, graphic, photograph, sound, and even music. Such multimedia features can be easily presented with the help of presentation package. Contrary, these are not possible in other non-computer modes of presentation. The presentation of event or object display with the help of slide. Slides are the electronic page of presentation. It contains the content which are to be displayed on the screen. Slideshow. It is the electronic presentation which is displayed in a sequence on the computer screen or through a projector. It shows the slide one after another on full screen. Handout. Handouts are the printed copies of content. Sometimes they are used as supporting document of the presentation which are given to the viewer. We can create a presentation with the help of different application software like Microsoft PowerPoint or OpenOffice Impress. For opening Microsoft PowerPoint, click on Start, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft PowerPoint. Your document will be open. For opening document in OpenOffice Impress, click on Start, then OpenOffice, then click on OpenOffice Impress. You can also type Impress on search box. Impress is shortcut key for OpenOffice Impress. In OpenOffice Impress, document will be opened with three options: empty presentation, from templates, or open existing presentation. Click on Create button as an empty presentation is selected by default. The main screen of Impress open with some suggestion. The screen will be open as in top of the screen Title bar are located. Just below the title bar, menu bar are there. And just below the menu bar, standard toolbar are there. Status bar located at bottom of the document. Just above the status bar, drawing toolbar are presented. And just at center of the document's workspace are located, where we can type our content, insert the pictures, video as we required. These are the basic information about the document of the screen. Making slide. A slide is an individual page of display in a presentation. A presentation consists of many slides. To make slide for a new presentation, enter the content in the workspace area in the slide that open by default, or we can select the layout. Layout means the style of format for displaying slide from layout sidebar deck, such as click on title, text layout. So we have to learn about layout. Layout refers to the format or the way page or slide will be seen by a viewer. A layout in slide contains placeholder for entering such as title, bullet list and other content such as table, chart, shape, etc. The existing layout of slide changes to the selected layout in workspace area. Content in a slide. Content consists of text and other media. Text is a written information consisting of multiple characters, symbol or sentence. We can also add text inside the placeholder of a slide. In a slide, the text can be title, that is heading, and subtitle, that is outline. To add text for heading, click inside the placeholder, that is click on add title. Type the required text in outline, click inside the placeholder of subtitle or outline, that is click to add text. Type the required text, click outside. The slide will be typed text is saved. Additional slides. After making first slide, we can also insert additional slide in the presentation. To insert additional slide in the presentation, click on Insert menu from the menu bar, then click on the option Slide. Layout panel will be appear and new slide by default inserted after the previous selected layout. If we want to change the layout of new slide, we can change it by clicking on the desired layout panel. Now we can begin to add content in the newly inserted slide. Adding text box. If some text is related to content of some slide but has to be displayed separately, then such text box can be inserted in separate text box of same slide. To add text box, open the slide, click on text box from drawing toolbar. Drawing toolbar are basically located at bottom of the document, just above the status bar. The mouse pointer change to plus sign. Move the cursor to a place on slide where new text box is to be added. Click and drag the mouse button from mouse pointer change to plus sign. Move the cursor to the place on slide where we have to add text box. Click and drag the mouse button on a slide to draw a text box. Release the mouse button when the text box reaches the required size. A new text box will be created in the slide. Now we can add comment in new text. Hope you understood about slide presentation and its uses. Thank you for listening me. Do not waste so much time in front of mobile and TV. Utilize your time in productive work. Be healthy. Wash your hand frequently. Maintain hygiene properly. Listen to your parents. Thank you.